What's going on, YouTube? Subscribers and whatnot. Well, little EDC update. Couple things have changed, and I am somewhat back. Yeah. I've upgraded a few things, phone included. No longer rocking prepaid. Boost. Got a Samsung Galaxy S2. Wife gave it to me, and thank God. It's awesome. So far, there's the S3, which is better, but for a penny, the Galaxy S2, it's rocking. All right, this is my loadout for my new and improved EDC. Little update, like I said. So here we go. Right here. It's the winter time, and I've got a medium duty motorcycle style jacket, I guess. It doesn't have very many pockets. It's got 3, but then again, for real, I'm not going to be loading a tactical vest with MOLLE webbing out everywhere, and so, you know, I wear blue jeans, this jacket, all that good stuff. This might be a little bit of a long video, sorry, but there's a lot of little things, and give you guys a little update on my personal self. Jacket's awesome, sturdy, you know, so good. It's very nice looking. Wife gave it to me. She found it, bought it, gave it to me. Awesome. Just like the phone. Awesome. Love her. Alright, let's get started with the normal stuff. You guys might have seen this stuff before, but a couple add-ons. The knife is different. I am rocking right now just that, what, I guess front pocket wallet, but I keep it in my back pocket. Back right. My back left has my bandana. Yeah, these two you've probably seen before, I believe. Yeah. And my Buck 482 medium. Forgot what, I think it's Max Light, I think. I don't know. Good knife. It has a tendency of rusting a little bit. Right now it doesn't have any, but, you know, it's still pretty nice. I don't know if this thing autofocuses or not. Oh well. But, pretty nice. Very sharp. Oh, it takes an edge like nobody's business. Best be careful. Lockback. Kind of like that. Might hear my kids barge in, but oh well. Yeah. I upgraded my light twice. I used to rock the cheap stuff. Rayovac, Dollar Tree stuff. Yeah. But I upgraded to a Streamlight MicroStream. It's an awesome light for the money, and very bright. I just clocked it. Hold on. Okay. I just clocked it for an hour and 40 minutes on one rechargeable AAA battery. It uses only one battery. Awesomeness. You know, very compact, very bright. It has a Cree 7 LED in it, and so far it's pretty good. Doesn't run hot, which is awesome. I am now Mormon. Don't swear anymore. I used to, but no more. Smoked. I used to be a heavy smoker. Had to have my nicotine. I have my urges, but I'm refraining. But I still do carry a lighter for, emergency purposes. You can always use a lighter. Mini Bic for right now, because, I don't have the real need for a full size, since I don't use it very much, if at all. My Victorinox Super Tinker, you guys probably remember this thing. I actually had to sell it, and it got bought by someone else, and yeah, ponage. But anyways, got this one off of a coworker when I was working for moving and storage, and yeah, we did a little trade. I wanted another Victorinox Super Tinker, and he had it. He was using it. He abused it. I think I might have this thing get serviced, but so far it's been awesome. I've got a Gerber Artifact. Don't know where it is. I think it's in a car. I just lost it today. Kind of upset. I know you're seeing a SNUS 10. Probably thinking, oh, he gave up smoking, but he still has to have his nicotine. That's a solid negative. I am not smoking. I am not doing the chew, dip, whatever. This is actually little, I don't know, supply tin. If I can't find my artifact, I will be upset, because there is an item in here that has the, the blades. Replacement blades are in there. But anyways, let's go ahead and look a little closer. Sorry for the shaky camera. I've got a Victorinox Classic SD, and it's very sharp. Keep it very sharp. I keep it in this because, well, if I'm not going to use it, I can, store it. It'll store very well. So that's basically what I'm doing. I also have in here a spare battery, lithium Energizer Lithium, Ultimate Lithium, something like that. Never been used. I wrapped it in electric tape. Keep it from, touching anything. And my USB charger cord for my Samsung Galaxy S2. Yeah, fits all in here. Very tight, very little rattle. I actually keep all of this stuff that's not on the jacket in my pants. This one rides in my left front pocket. This rides in my left front pocket, clipped. This one rides in that little coin pocket, back right pocket. This right front pocket. And as you know, back right, back left. Alright, getting to the jacket. Awesome jacket, cuts, wind down to nothing. Very warm if it does get really cold. And big enough to put another layer in it, like a hoodie. The wife actually found it at a thrift shop. Red Camel. At a thrift shop. Instead of paying $100 for it, paid $12.50. Bank. Yeah. Awesomeness. Alright. In the jacket, front pocket, front right pocket is my headphones. Forgot what they were, the brand, but they're noise oscillating or isolating, isolating, what have you. Headphones. You buy them for about $4 or $5. Walmart. Good deal. Awesome deal. Recommend them. They've got cloth cover instead of your typical plastic or rubber wire covers. Pretty durable. My wife ran over hers today, actually. So she might be stealing mine. So I hope not, because she gave it to me. Anyways, little upgrade on another flashlight. This is a AA, very bright, 125 lumen GSX flashlight. Scored it at Gander Mountain. Put a little lanyard here, retrieval lanyard, just in case I put it in my pants. I could just pull it out. This rides in my front left pocket. Now, the inside chest pocket. It's not a whole lot. Got a little notebook right here. My cell phone would ride in it. The cell phone is actually rocking a body glove. Something. Shock thing. Really good. I mean, for an inexpensive cell phone cover. Pretty thick. Heavy duty. I've dropped this phone since I've had it not too long ago. Since I got it. I've dropped it a couple of times. Landed on its corners. Landed on its face. Landed on its back. Everything. I mean, and this cover's been working like triple time. And it's been doing a very good job. Not one scratch, not one nick, not one flex in this phone. So, yeah, pretty happy. Pentel gel, Energel pen. What is this? Gatorade G2. And my body glove single hands-free headset wire. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. I'll probably be adding to this. Alright, but that's my EDC for the winter and spring. Okay.